Hey everyone, welcome back to the C++ full course. In today's video, we'll explore file handling in C++, how to save and retrieve data permanently from files. Until now, all our programs lost data when they ended, but not anymore. Let's fix that. File handling allows us to store data on the disk and use it even after program ends. In C++, we use the fstream header to perform file functions. To create a file and write to it, we type ofstream and then we give our variable a name, out file. Inside the parentheses, we write the file name with extension .txt. To write in the file, we write out file and then write the text to it. For example, hello, this is a C++ file handling example. And then we simply close the file using the close function. We type outfile.close, which closes the file safely. Let's print to the screen. Let me save and run this. So in the terminal we got data returned successfully, and here we can see our text file in which we wrote, hello, this is a C++ file handling example. Now that we have written data, let's read it back using ifstream. Here ifstream opens a file in read mode. Then we wrote the variable's name and inside the parentheses we type the name of the file. Here we declared a variable line of data type string which will store the text inside the file, and then we ran a while loop. The getLine function reads each line of text. Always close your file when done. Let's see the output. So we got hello, this is a C++ file handling example. What if we don't want to overwrite the file but add more content? For that, we use the iOS app mode. So here we used ofstream to write to the file example.txt. iOS app, which is equal to append mode, keeps existing data, useful for logs or continuous data writing. Let's see if this line gets added or not. And inside the file we got this line is added later. Sometimes file might not open properly. Always check before using them. For example, we are reading the file that does not exist. So if not file, then print error opening file. Else you print file opened successfully. This avoids crashes and undefined behavior. Let's see the output. As the file does not exist, we got error opening file. Let's combine everything we learned to make a simple student record saver. So from basics, we have to include headers, iOS stream, fstream, and string, and then write using namespace std. Inside the main, we'll declare three variables: name of string data type, age of integer data type, and marks of float data type, and then ask the user to enter them. Now we'll create a file students.txt using ofstream and also use our append function. After creating and writing to the students.txt, we'll display all records using the ifstream function which reads our file. With each run, new data is added to the file. Let's run this program. So you can see the output in the terminal, and here you can see the text file. And that's how simple file handling is in C++. We learned how to create, read, and append files and build a real example to save student data permanently. In the next video, we'll combine file handling with exception handling to make our programs even more powerful and error-proof. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with your coding friends.